Alright, so in today's video we'll be converting a standard black and white image into an SVG file so we can import it into Fusion 360 and design our tutorial USB. So today's project will be a Ferrari logo. So we'll open up our web browser and search for a Ferrari logo. We'll go to images, and in the middle at the top there'll be a tag called tools. Click on that, go color, black and white. We'll change the size to large because we want a good quality. So we'll just look for an image that looks right. So we'll choose this one because we're wanting something that has a good logo, which is what we want. So we'll go right click, save image as. A JPEG would be fine. Change the name to Ferrari logo. And we will save it to our Ferrari USB folder. So once we've done that, we can open Adobe Illustrator, go File, Open, go to our Ferrari USB logo, we'll open our JPEG. So now it's imported into Adobe Illustrator. We'll select it, go to the right, and select Trace Image, black and white logo, and then expand. So now we have an outline of this logo. We're going to press Shift and drag the corner down. This will make sure that the image stays even as we make it smaller. And we're going to go select Ungroup, and then we'll press Shift and click the parts of the logo that we want. We won't worry about the lettering because we'll delete that. And we'll group again. So then we can move this up and we can then select everything else and delete it. Not needed. Alright, so then we'll come up to the top here. Top right, we'll press this little chain which will maintain the proportions, and we'll change the width to 50. Alright, so that just makes the logo smaller. And we'll change the X value to 25. This will import the logo on the origin when it is in Fusion. And because it's not a nice number, we'll actually unlink it and we'll change the height of it to 68. Enter. And we'll change the Y value to 34 as it is half of 68. And this will orientate the logo in the top left hand corner. So once we've done that, we'll go highlight. There's actually a few pieces here that we haven't deleted, so we'll delete those. Make sure we've got rid of everything on the page. Good. Alright, so we'll highlight the logo, we'll go File, Save As, we'll change the format to SVG, and we'll leave it as Ferrari logo. We'll save it into our Ferrari USB folder. Press OK. So now we have a SVG file that we can now go to Fusion 360 and import. We'll finish this off on the next video.